will discuss chapter 11, subchapter 6, which is devoted to Mahanta Lakshan. So in our project management case, we will consider Mahanta means project head. Some of the basic qualities of the project head that we will discuss today. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha. Sri Samartha Ramdas said, जाणा याचे सांगता न ये, सांगा याचे नेमस्त न ये, समजल्या विण काहीच न ये, कोणी एक. Now, the meaning of the above is as under. The difficulty lies in the fact that what is known cannot be expressed in words. Yet, without proper expression, nothing can be understood. In order to explain the further details, we will now discuss what way it is related to the leader. In our case, it is project head. During the entire life cycle of the project head has to express many things on daily basis, weekly basis, fortnightly basis, and monthly basis. He has to imbibe the habit of expressing the details in a manner which is understood by the others. So what will happen if he imbibes this kind of attitude and this kind of way of working, that he becomes a successful leader. PH, that is project head, shall be that he would save his precious time and efforts so that he can carry out multiple tasks and at time as in an effective manner. So there is a huge advantage for a project head about overall time saving as well as effective management. Dhanyavad. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha. We will discuss certain aspects of chapter 11, subchapter 6, Mahanta Lakshan, Harikatha Nirupan, नेमस्तपणे राजकारण, वर्तायाचे लक्षण तेही असावे. The meaning of the above is as under. One should be able to narrate stories about God. For a project head, a project is a God, and give a correct explanation. One should be able to know how to act appropriately with regards to politics and in everyday life. Now we will discuss in what way it is related to the leader, that is project head. As we are aware that in the case of any project, a project head has to discuss and explain many things to his team members and the others on daily basis. Over and above, a project head has to inculcate a habit to tackle the politics in his day-to-day life at the workplace. Dhanyavad. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha. पुसो जाणे, सांगो जाणे, अर्थांतर करू जाणे, सकळिकांचे राखो जाणे, समाधान. The meaning of the above is as under. One should know how to ask right questions and how to give explanations of meanings that please and satisfy everyone. Now we will discuss in what way it is related to the leader, that is project head. In day-to-day life, a project head has to ask many questions to get the details about the various aspects of the project, namely progress, quality, safety issues, etc. Hence, a project head has to inculcate a habit of asking appropriate questions so that he would get the correct details. Further, he has to give the explanation of meanings in such a manner that will satisfy the team members and the others with whom he is interacting all the time. धन्यवाद. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ. We will discuss some of the aspects of chapter 11, subchapter 6, महंत लक्षण. दीर्घ सूचना आधी कळे, सावधपणे तर्क प्रबळे, जाण जाणोनी निवळे, यथा योग्य. The meaning of the above is as under. Such a man, that is project head, understands indications and has foresight of things to come. With alertness, the power of reasoning becomes strengthened and many things are understood properly by persistently thinking them over. Now we will discuss in what way it is related to the leader, that is project head. In a day-to-day life, a project head has to carry out n number of tasks and had to understand the indications of the things which are happening and has to have a foresight of the things which will happen in near future days to come. Hence, it is possible for a project head to strengthen his thinking power and to understand many more things by constant thinking of the points, difficulties to be solved and how to overcome them. In short, in order to make the project successful, project head has to have the basic qualities, or else he has to strive to imbibe in him to make himself a better leader. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ. धन्यवाद.